This is Frank Skinner. This is
Absolute Radio.
Can I interrupt for one moment for an
Sure.
act of gratitude? Someone has sent me a fantastic.
Good to be
I'm going to
grateful.
call it a coffee table book, but I shall read it properly. It's called Harryhausen: The Lost Movies by John Walsh, and it's look at that fantastic artwork for Ray
Oh, wow.
Harryhausen movies.
That is an absolute stunner.
Ray Harryhausen, in case you don't know, did all those films like Jason and the Argonauts with really sort of wild voyages of imagination,
Oh, did he?
animation and stuff like that. You'd know it if you saw it. It's like,
Uh-huh.
jerky, moving Minotaur figures.
I know
I
exactly
might be
what
about
you're
to
talking
sneeze
about.
on the radio. That's a weird feeling.
Don't do it. We've all sneezed on the radio before, but
Have we?
I think so. But anyway, there was no letter with that book, but thank you, whoever you are.
Anonymous book donations. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, but I mean, it might have just been. It
Harryhausen,
had been open, so maybe the producer just lost it.
Well, maybe.
did he do this sort of pterodactyl with
Yes.
woman in grasping
All
woman
that,
in
yes,
claws? You see
yes.
that? I mean, I'm
Terrifying.
no, I
That's my
really love his
pterodactyl.
work.
The great thing, no one can ever pull you up on a pterodactyl impression.
Good point.
What
Well,
do
I
they-
can.
What do they know?
Frank Skinner on
Absolute Radio.
I got a book last week called Harryhausen: The Lost Movies, which was about Ray Harryhausen, who makes this incredible sort of stop motion stuff. Yeah. And it turns out it was from John Walsh. I didn't know it was from someone I've met many times and who's heavily involved in the whole Harryhausen world. And he said his letter explaining who he is, and thank you, John. It's brilliant. Can I say, if anyone likes sort of anything slightly sci-fi, fantasy, filmy, animation, get this book. It's a beauty. But he says Tom Baker and Pat Troughton, both Doctor Who's, have appeared between them in 3 Harryhausen films. Tom, of course, Golden Voyage as Sinbad. Pat as the blind beggar in Jason and the Argonauts, tormented by the flying harpies. And again as Melanthius in Sinbad and the Eye of the Tiger.
Oh, yes.
In my research for the Lost Movies, I discovered a third Lost Troughton appearance, the TV pilot for Gulliver in 1963. So these are the sorts of letters that I get and absolutely love.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a brilliant book, though. I'd really, really recommend it.
This is Frank Skinner. This is
Absolute Radio.